Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn about a mathematical concept which is angles. In this video, we are going to understand in details about some important concepts of angles. Let us begin today's class with an activity. Let us all open the fingers of our hands as shown in the picture. If we assume these two fingers as two rays meeting at a point, then we get an angle. In geometry, an angle can be defined as the figure formed by two rays meeting at a common endpoint. Here in the above figure, O is the common endpoint and OA and OB are the two rays. An angle is represented by the symbol as shown beside. The above angle can be named as angle AOB. Angles are measured in degrees using a protractor. Let us now understand about the different parts of an angle. By now, we know that two rays, when they meet at a common point, form an angle. The two rays forming the angle are called the arms or sides of the angle. Here in the above figure, OA and OB are the arms of the angle AOB. The arms can also be named as AO and BO. The common initial point of the two rays where they meet to form an angle is called the vertex of an angle. Here, point O is the vertex of angle AOB. Let us now learn how to name an angle. Always remember, an angle can be named by using three capital letters. Let us now look at the beside figure, where the two arms or sides of the angle are AB and BC. The vertex of the beside given angle is B. So this angle can be named as angle ABC, or we can also name it as angle CBA. It is very important for us to remember that the name of the vertex of an angle is always written at the center. Here, since the common point is B, so both the names has B in its center. We see examples of angles all around us in our everyday lives. For example, in a pair of scissors, in a hockey stick, or in a chair. Let us now understand what does interior and exterior of an angle means. To understand that, let us look at the angle ABC given beside. Here we have B as the vertex of the angle and AB or BA and CB or BC as the two arms of the angle ABC. Q is the point on the ray BC or CB and D is the point on the ray AB or BA. So the points Q and D are said to lie on the angle ABC. Point R and point S are the points located outside the angle ABC, and point P lies inside the angle. So, point P is said to lie in the interior of the angle or inside the angle ABC, and point R and point S are said to lie in the exterior or outside the angle ABC. In the given figure, the shaded region which we can see represents the interior of the angle. The region located outside the angle is said to be the exterior of an angle. So, we should remember that the points lying out inside the angle, example point P, forms the interior of the angle, and the points lying outside the angle, for example point R and point S, form the exterior of an angle. Next, let us understand how to compare two given set of angles. As we can see, we have angle ABC and angle CBD in the beside given figure. Now let us understand how we are going to compare these two given angles. We can clearly see that B is the common vertex of the two angles and BC or CB is their common arm. As we can see that D lies in the interior of the angle ABC, so it clearly shows that angle CBD is smaller than angle ABC. We can also see that point A lies to the exterior of the angle CBD. This clearly proves that angle ABC is greater than angle CBD. Therefore, we can say that angle ABC is greater than angle CBD, or we can also say that angle CBD is smaller than angle ABC. Let us look at another example where we can see that there are two angles, angle ABC and angle DBC given. One can also name these angles as angle CBA and angle CBD. But remember, since B is the vertex, it should be written in the center. So, we now have to find out which is the smallest angle out of these two given angles. Here, as we can see that B is the common vertex of the two angles given beside, and BC or CB is their common arm. Since D lies in the interior of the angle ABC, so angle DBC is obviously smaller than the other angle. We can also see that point A lies outside the angle DBC. So, it clearly proves that angle ABC is greater than angle DBC. So, it is clear now that out of the two angles, angle ABC and angle DBC, angle DBC is smaller. Let us look at one more example where we have angle ABC and angle DBE. In the adjoining figure, we can clearly make out that both the angles, angle ABC and angle DBE, are equal to each other. Since they are equal, so both the angles are said to be congruent angles. In symbols, we can write it as angle ABC is congruent to angle DBE, where we have written the symbol of congruency in between them. But generally, we give an equal to sign in between both the angles. So, we should remember that if two angles are such that neither of them is greater than the other, then they are said to be equal or congruent to each other. So, in today's video, we have understood what is an angle and some new and important concepts of angle. If you think you have understood these concepts, well, do give a thumbs up by clicking on the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get a notification whenever I post any such educational videos. So keep watching and stay safe.